Hello, this is Eric Barry with ReLISTO, Leasing and Property Management for the Central California. Today I'm in Stockton. This is 3120 Delaware, apartment number 5. This is in collaboration with Redwood Property Management. And I have to say, you're in for a treat. This is a brand new unit, so it's newly renovated. Everything's fresh. Double pane windows, lights, floors, walls. You name it, it's all brand new. Lovely stainless appliances, deep sink, garbage disposal, and microwave. Lots of cabinet space. Again, white plank, luxury vinyl flooring. You can see a little trash outside. That's because the work was just finished. Okay, let's go over here and look at this. Those are soft close cabinets. Oh, look, still paint. So again, everything was just newly done. Those are soft closed cabinets, lots of them. Here you have a beautiful little backyard, fresh fence, high fence too. This is at least 6.5 feet for really nice privacy. As your family, your friends, and guests are down here, you'll sometimes want to use the bathroom, and so that's conveniently located right here. I have a sink and toilet. Nice big mirror. And then let's go upstairs. This is nice, plush, brand new carpeting. So let's go up here. Lots of lights. Here's one of the bedrooms. Let's go in this bedroom first. Since this is the second bedroom. This overlooks greenery, big closet there, fan. And again, double pane windows with screens, which is super nice. Linens for, towels, sheets, lots of space there. And here is the primary bedroom. And we call it the primary bedroom. It's a little bigger than the other bedroom, but most importantly, it has a nice walk-in closet. So take a look at this. So huge. So you can store, almost have a bed in there. So, let's go around and more of that luxury flooring and sink, toilet, and then nice soak tub and shower. All right, there you go. 3120 Delaware, unit number 5, newly renovated. Everything's brand new. If you like brand new units, this is the one for you. It's gorgeous, as you could see when we walked up here. The greenery, the landscaping is well kept. So give us a call. Use the link in the video to get a hold of us. All right, cheers.